Can you hear that? What's that? What's going on here? That should be attached. It's broken there and it's split. It's split there. So I think we need a new one. Okay. Right, first things first. Let's try and make it so these bolts come off. Actually, they're bolts. I'm not going to get to those. It's these nuts that's going to be more likely to help. So let's have spinning. There's a bolt head on the top. Which I can't get to. I can't actually get to. How are you going to tighten that up? This looked like an easy job. Get a socket on the back of theirs. Okay. Okay. They're on the washers somewhere. Okay. Washer, tube, bolt through. Nut on the bottom. Locking nut on the bottom. Okay, so I've got that. Have we? Is that all disconnected? Okay, let's try and get this. Right, let's drop the exhaust a little bit, but not a lot. Okay, we'll hold that there. These bolts are in the way now. Bolt, 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 bolt. Okay. Let's get the new one in now. These onto there. Okay. So we want a bolt. And a tube. And a washer. And a nut. And the bottom. Right, and then another tube. Ah, that was stupid, wasn't it? Bolt and another bolt. Oh, there's a washer on top. Oh no. Where's the other washers? There's one. Right, there's a washer on top, then a bolt, then a tube, then another washer. So there should be a couple of washers up here somewhere. There's one, and there's the other. Right. Bolt, washer. Washer, right, okay. Tubes and then washers. This is going to be a work of art. Hang on. Washer. Washer and nuts. Oh, there's one still in. Oh, great. Washer. No, another washer. Oh no, but you got to put the bracket on you twat. Bracket. And then this one. Well, anyway, it's on. It's not loose, so I reckon it's alright. Well, that's a job I don't really want to do again, but it wasn't that bad, I suppose. Hopefully, I've just bent that up a little bit because it was catching on some of these. I don't really want that rubbing. Apart from that, seems alright. Hope that helped you. Hope you don't have to do that job, but if you do, that's how I did it. So hope that helps you. So again, if this is useful to you, give us a like. Please subscribe to the channel, it really helps. I'll catch you in the next one.